Welcome to Bez Reviews. Want a robot vacuum that practically cleans your home by itself? Check out the link in the description for the best price. Today we're reviewing the DREAME X60 Max Ultra Complete, one of the most advanced robot vacuum and mop systems currently available. With an ultra-thin design, incredible 35,000 Pascal suction power, self-maintenance features, and advanced AI obstacle avoidance, this robot is designed to minimize the amount of cleaning you need to do yourself. The first thing that grabs attention is the suction power. DREAME rates the X60 Max Ultra at an impressive 35,000 Pascals, putting it among the most powerful robot vacuums on the market. Whether you're dealing with dust, pet hair, crumbs, or debris trapped in carpets, this level of suction is built for serious cleaning performance. Another standout feature is the complete hands-free maintenance system. The docking station automatically empties the dust bin, refills the robot's water tank, and cleans the mop pads after use. For busy households, this dramatically reduces the amount of manual maintenance required. The ultra-thin design is also a major advantage. It allows the robot to reach under furniture such as beds, sofas, and cabinets where dust often accumulates. Many robot vacuums struggle with these tight spaces, but the slim profile helps maximize cleaning coverage. Navigation is equally impressive. The AI-powered system can recognize and avoid more than 280 different types of household obstacles. That means fewer interruptions from cables, shoes, pet bowls, toys, and other everyday items commonly left on the floor. Mopping performance is another area where the X60 Max Ultra shines. The self-cleaning mop system helps maintain cleaner pads during operation, improving overall floor cleaning effectiveness and reducing odor buildup. In real-world use, this robot is especially appealing for large homes, pet owners, busy families, and anyone who wants to automate floor care as much as possible. Of course, there is one drawback. All of this technology comes at a premium price. The X60 Max Ultra is positioned as a flagship robot vacuum, so budget-focused shoppers may find less expensive alternatives that cover basic cleaning needs. Overall, the DREAME X60 Max Ultra Complete delivers exceptional suction power, advanced AI navigation, industry-leading automation, and premium mopping performance. If you're looking for one of the most capable robot vacuum and mop systems available today, this is absolutely a model worth considering. Thanks for watching Bez Reviews. If you'd like to check the latest price on the DREAME X60 Max Ultra Complete, you'll find the link in the description below.